and welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Packing lunch boxes in the mornings can be a hassle. Today I'm going to share a very simple and quick rice recipe that's very tasty and flavorful, and you can make it with just simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen. So let's get started and check out how to make this delicious kuska. This is a one-pot recipe. To the cooker, pour 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can replace ghee with oil accordingly to your preference. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, Marathi moggu, mace, stone flower and bay leaf. Fry the whole spices for a few seconds. Then add 2 onions thinly sliced, 4 green chilies slit and saute. I haven't added any vegetables into this dish. If you want, you can add a few, but this kuska is something which can be prepared simply just with onions and tomatoes and with basic masalas. Once the onions turn golden brown, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and mix again. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt and mix well. Keep the flame low while adding the masala powders. Add a handful of pudina leaves and a handful of coriander leaves and mix well. You don't have to chop the leaves, you can just add the whole leaves. I have taken 1 cup of jeera samba rice for this recipe. If you don't have that, you can also use basmati rice. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. I have washed the rice a few times. Pour enough water and soak it for about half an hour. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water in the pressure cooker. Mix it and allow it to boil. At this stage, you can check for seasoning and add salt if required. Strain the water in the rice and add the rice to the cooker. Add a tablespoon of ghee to the rice. It will enhance the flavor of the recipe. Mix again and close the cooker. Place the weight and allow it to cook for 1 whistle. Let it cool and release the pressure. After 10 minutes, open the cooker and mix gently. There you go, here is a simple and tasty kuska that is ready to be served with some nice raita or any side dish of your choice. This makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe, so do give it a try. Kuska looks incredible and I can't wait to try it. Now I've served it with raita, but I normally like to enjoy my pulaos or biryanis without raita. So today here I'm going to have it just as is to get the best flavors. That's so good, so yummy. Such a simple dish, yet it's loaded with flavors, and you can quickly whip this up in the mornings if you're in a hurry or if you want to pack something really quick for your lunch boxes. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.